You know that's a wrong order.
Okay, we're enforcing
there's no lawful basis for that order.
Can you please get into the car?
I will not go against my conscience. I will not go against my conscience. I have the right to be here.
This is horrendous. This is horrendous what's happening. This is horrendous what's happening. This is horrendous what's happening.
I have a Christian belief and I have a right to profess and practice my religious belief. No parent, no family in this country wants their children to be indoctrinated in transgender ideology.
Yes.
And that is what happened here. That is what it all goes back to. A very simple thing. I was commanded by a principal, Niamh McShane, to call a young boy they. And I said I won't do that. I cannot do that. I have a conscience.
It's wrong,
I believe in God.
What you're doing.
I believe, and that is wrong.
You're obeying orders that are wrong, Garda. My son, who has an impeccable record and was brought up to have a clear conscience before God and man, you're pushing him into a guard the car, arresting him, and with the view to incarcerating him, to incarcerate him in Mountjoy prison. In Mountjoy prison.
Get into the car.
No, I've done nothing wrong.
Please get into the car.
No, I've done nothing wrong.
This is horrendous
I've
what's
done
happening.
nothing wrong.
This is horrendous.
I've done nothing wrong.
This is horrendous what's happening. This is horrendous what's happening.
سلام ዝኸበርኩም ተኸታተልቲ መደብና ከመይ ትኾኑ ኣብዚ ናይ ሎም መደብና ሓደ ኣዝዩ ዝገርም ኣዝዩ ከዓ ዘሕዝን ኣብ ኤውሮጳ ኣብ ልዕሊ ክርስቲያናት ዝበፅሕ ዘሎ ስደት እንታይ ከም ዝመስል ክንርኢና ብዙሕ ግዜ ስደት ክበሃል ከሎ ኣብተና ምዕባል ዝርከባ ሳልሳይ ዓለም ሃገራት እንበር ኣብዘን ምዕብላት ሃገራት ኣብ ልዕሊ ክርስቲያናት ስደት ዘየለ ክመስለና ይኽእል እዩ እቲ ብዝተራቐቐን ሲስተማቲክ ብዝኾነ መንገድን ኣብ ልዕሊ ክርስቲያናት መጥቃዕቲ ዝበፅሕ ዘሎ ግን ኣብ ምዕራባውያን ሃገራት ማለት እዩ ኣብተን ካልኦት ሃገራት ብርግፅ ብቑሉዕ ዝኾነ መንገዲ ካብ ነዊሕ ዓመታት ብፍላይ ኣብ ሃገርና እውን ከም ንፈልጦ ስደት ልዕሊ 20 ዓመት ኣቑፂሩ ኣሎ ማለት እዩ ክርስቲያናት ካብ ዝእሰሩ ካብ ዝስደዱ እዚ ኣብ ኤርትራ ዘሎ ስደት ድማ ኣብ ኤውሮጳ እውን ጀሚሩ ኣሎ ማለት እዩ እዚ ክብል ከለኹ ብምኽንያት እዩ ኣብነት ከምጻልኩም ኢሎም ማዓንቲ እንሪኦ ብጣዕሚ ዝገርም እዩ ኣብ ልዕሊ እዚ ኣየርላንዳዊ ክርስቲያን ስለምንታይ ዳኛ ንሕልፈት ኣብ ቤት ማእሰርቲ ክጸንሕ ፈሪድዎ ክርኢና ማለት እዩ ብጣዕሚ ዝገርም እዚ ኣብ ዝመንእሰይ እዚ ኣጋጢሙ ዘሎ ማእሰርቲ ድማ ኣብ ኩሎም ክርስቲያናት ክበጽሕ ከም ዝኽእል ብጭቡጥ ክንርኢና ማለት እዩ ሞ ናብቲ ዝርዝር ትሕዝቶ ቅድሚ ምእታዊ ነዚ ቪድዮ እዚ ላይክ ሼር ክትገብርዎ በዚ ኣጋጣሚ ከተሓሳስበኩም ይደሊ ላይክ ተገይርኩሞ በቲ ናይ ዩቲዩብ ኣልጎሪዝም ንብዙሓት ሰባት ዩቲዩብ ሪኮመንድ ክገብሮም ይኽእል ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ዋላ ሓንቲ ትኸፍሉ ዋጋ የብልኩም እንተደኣ እዚ መልእኽቲ እዚ ሃናፂ እዩ ጽቡቕ እዩ ኢልኩም ሓሲብኩሞ ሼር ድማ ግበርዎ ኢኹም ማለት እዩ ነዚ ሚኒስትር እዚ ክድግፉ እንተደኣ ደሊኹም ድማ መንበርስ ክትኮኑ ትኽእሉ ኢኹም ንመንበርስ ድማ ኣብ ገግዚኡ ፍሉይ ዝኾነ መደባት ከም ዘዳሉ በዚ ኣጋጣሚ ክሕብረኩም ደሊ ጎይታ ይባርኽኩም እሞ ናብቲ ኣርእስቲ ናይ ሎም መዓንቲ ክንሰግር እዚ ኣብ ትሕቲ ቀይዳኣት ዘሎ መንእሰይ ኤኖክ ቡርከይ ዝበሃል ወይ ብትግርኛ ሄኖክ ቡርከይ ኢልና ክንፅውዖ ንኽእል ኢና ኣየርላንዳዊ እዩ እዚ መንእሰይ እዚ ኣብ መምህርና ዓለም ክገልግል ከም መምህር ኮይኑ ክሰርሕ ዝፀንሐ እዩ ንሸውዓተ ዓመታት ብፍላይ ኣብ ሓንቲ ናይ ዊልሶንስ ሆስፒታል ስኩል ትበሃል ኣብ ኣየርላንድ ደብሊን ትርከብ ሓንቲ ንእሽተይ ቤት ትምህርቲ ኣብኣ ከም መምህር ኮይኑ ክሰርሕ ፀኒሑ እዛ ቤት ትምህርቲ እዚኣ ካብ ዝገርም ድማ ኣብ መሰራርታ ናይ ክርስቲያን ሓደ ክርስቲያን ዝመስረታ ቤት ትምህርቲ እያ እዚ መንእሰይ እዚ ድማ ወንጌላዊ ክርስቲያን ኣማኒ ማለት እዩ ሕጂ እንታይ እዩ ጋጢሙ ኣብ 2022 ሓደ ካብቶም ተምሃሩኡ ወዲ ማለት እዩ መጥባሕቲ ብምግባር ነቲ ሆርሞን ብሎከርስ ዝበሃል ኣሎ መጥባሕቲ መዓት ከኒናታትን መድሃኒታትን ብምውሳድ እቲ ናብ ወዲ ክወስዶ ዝኽእል ናይ ወዲ ቁመና ከትሕዞ ዝኽእል ሆርሞናት ንዑ ብሎክ ብሕክምና ከም ዝግበር ተገይሩ ጾቱኡ ቀይሩ ማለት እዩ ካብቲ ዝገርም ወዲ ነይሩ ናብ ጓል ኣይኮነን ቀይሩ ማለት እዩ እዚ ኣነ ወዲ ኮንኩን ጓል ኣይኮንኩን ኣነ ካብ ሎሚ ዘይ እየ ዝበሃል ወድን ጓልን ብዙሕ ኣነስ ብዙሕ ማለት እዩ ወዲ ጓል ኩሉ ዘለኒ ስለዚ ከምቶም ካልኦት ግብረ ሰዶማውያን ወዲ ነይሮም ናብ ጓል ነይሮም ድማ ጓል ነይረን ድማ ናብ ወዲ ዝቕየራ ዘይኮነ ናይዚ ኸዓ ፍልይ ዝገብሮ እንታይ እዩ ኣነ ናብዘይ ኣባይሲ ወዲ ኮነ ጓል ኣይኮነ ኣባይ ብዘይ ክጽዋዕ ዝደሊሉ ማለት እዩ ጾቱ ቀይሩ ነቲ ቤት ትምህርቲ ድማ በዚ ኣፍልጦ ሂቡ ድሕሪኡ ኣኼባ ተኻይዱ ማለት እዩ እዚ መምህር ዘለዎ ወለዲ ካልኦት መምሃራን ተማሃሮን እውን ብዛዕባ እዚ ተማሃራይ ዝምልከት እዚ ተማሃራይ እዚ ቅድሚ ሕጂ ኩስቶ እንዳበልኩም ከም ወዲ ትጽውዕዎ ነርኩም ካብ ሎሚ ግን ወዲ ኮነን ጾቱ ቀይሩ ዘይልኩም ኢኹም ትጽውዕዎ ዝብል መምርሒ ተዋሂብዎ ማለት በቲ ዳይሬክተር ናይቲ ቤት ትምህርቲ ኣኼባ ክግበር ከሎ ሕጂ እዚ ክርስቲያን ወንጌላዊው ነቲ እምነቱ ድማ ብዕቱብ ዝርኢ ሰብ ስለ ዝኾነ ብዓውታ ኣነ እዚ ትብልዎ ዘለኹም ብምኽንያት እምነተይ ክቕበሎ ኣይክእልኒ ኣነ ክርስቲያኔ ከም ክርስቲያን ድማ ኣምላኽ ወድን ጓልን ሰብኣይን ሰበይትን ይፈጢሩ ኣዳምን ሄዋንን ይፈጢሩ እምበር ኣብ ሓደ ሰብ ዘይ ዝበሃል ንሳቶም ዝበሃል ኣይፈጠረን ስለዚ ኣነ በዚ መምርሒ እዚ መሰረት ነዚ ወዲ እሳቶም ኢለ ክጽውዖ ኣይክእልኒ ብምባል ብዓውታ ኣብ ቅድሚ ተምሃሮን መምሃራንን ተቃይምዎ ማለት እዩ ነዚ መግለጽ እዚ ሕጂ እቲ ዳይሬክተር ድሕሪ ተኣኼባ ብዛዕባኻ መጽናዕቲ ወይ መርመራ ክነካይድ ኢና ክሳብቲ ናይ መርመራ ግዜ ዝውዳእ ድማ ኣብ ቤት ትምህርቲ ትመጽእ ኢኻ ዶመስካ እናተኸፈልካ ኣብ ገዛ ጽናሕ ኢሎም ይእግድዎ ማለት እዩ ካብ ስርሑ ኣብ ስራሕ ተኣጊዱ ኣነ ኸ ይብል ዝገበርክዎ ዝኾነ ይኹን ገበን የለን ሃይማኖታዊ እምነት ነጻነት ኣለኒ ከም ክርስቲያን እቲ ዝኣምነሉ ክዛረብ መሰል ኣለኒ ወልሓንቲ ጌጋ ይገበርኩን ናቱ ድሌት ነቲ ናተይ እምነት ዝጥሕስ እንተደኣ ኮይኑ ኣነ ኣብ እምነተይ ጸኒዐ ስርሐይ ክቕጽል ይኽእል ንዑ ከምቲ እሱ ዝደልዮ ክጽውዖ እምነተይ ስለ ዘይፍቅደለይ በዚ ምክንያት እዚ ጥራሕ ነዚ ነገር እዚ ዘይቅበሎ ዘለኹ እምበር ዝኾነ ዝገበርክዎ ገበን የለን እምነተይ ግን ኣይፍቅደለይኒ ንወዲ ጓል ክብሎ ንጓል ወዲ ክብሎ ወይ እውን ብዙሓት ዘይ እንዳበልኩ ክጽውዕ እዚ ናተይ ናይ ሕልና ነጻነቱን ስለ ዘለኒ ብቕዋማዊ ዝኾነ መሰል ዝተረጋገጸ ብቕዋም ናይዚ ሃገር እዚኣ ዝተረጋገጸ መሰል ስለ ዘለኒ መሰለ እየ ዘኽብር ዘለኹ መሰለ እየ ዝጥቀም ዘለኹ ዝገሃስክዎ ገበን የለን ብምባል ናብ ቤት ትምህርቲ ይመጽእ ማለት እዩ ሕጂ ቤት ትምህርቲ ነቲ ንሕና ዘቐረብናዮ እገዳ ነቲ ንሕና ዝሃብናካ እገዳ ናብዚ ቤት ትምህርቲ ከይትመጽእ ስለ ዝጠሓስካ ኢሎም ክሲ ይምስርቱ ካብቲ ኣዝዩ ዘሕዝን ኣዝዩ ድማ ዝገርም ነገር እዛ ዝሰርሓላ ዝነበረ ቤት ትምህርቲ ንሄኖክ ምስ ኣደስከለቶ ምስ ሰጎጎቶ ናብ ቤት ትምህርቲ ተመሊሱ ስርሑ ምእንቲ ከይቅጽል ንሄኖክ ካብ ስራሕ ዝኽልክሉ ሰባት ኣፍቲ ኣፍ ደገ ኮይዶም ዝሕሉ ዋርድያ ቆፂራ ኣብ ሓደ እዋን ሄኖክ ስርሑ ንኽሰርሕ ናብ ቤት ትምህርቲ ምስ መጸ እንታይ ከም ዘጋጠሞ እስከ ነዛ ቪድዮ እዚኣ ብሓባር ንከታተላ
I'm at work today. I'm here to attend to my workplace. This is where I work.
My response will be the same. I'm not allowed to interview.
No, I work here as a German and history teacher.
I'm really sorry.
No, I work here as a German and history teacher, and I need to.
You're doing this.
No, I'm not. I'm just walking into school as I always have done.
You are walking towards me. I'm always saying.
Yep, because this is my workplace, and this is where. Well, I'll just go around here.
I'm really sorry for that. You're not allowed.
But this is what you see now this morning as I come to school. It's Tuesday. You know, I'm here to do my work and just to engage in my workplace, and I'm being obstructed now from entering in the door here by this man. Simply because my crime is apparently, that's why you have this vest here, this security, because I would not call a young boy there. I wouldn't endorse transgenderism, and I'm being obstructed now from going in the door here. We've had the fines, the €66,000. I've been put in a prison cell unjustly for over 500 days, and now I'm being obstructed by this man from going in here. I have a right to be in here today. I have a right. I'm a teacher here. I work here.
If you are intended to be here, you will be here with respect and with your reputation that you are a teacher.
Yes.
But now they have security because you are not allowed to be here, and it's trespassing that you are doing.
No, that's not true. That's absolutely not true. I've been here for the past 7 years. I work here. I've been here every school day, and I have a right to be here.
ነቲ ንሕና ዝሃብናካ እገዳ ናብዚ ቤት ትምህርቲ ከይትመጽእ ስለ ዝጠሓስካ ኢሎም ክሲ ይምስርቱ እዚ ጉዳይ ናብ ቤት ፍርዲ ይኸይድ ቤት ፍርዲ ነዚ ጉዳይ ሪኦም ድማ ኣብ መወዳእታ ካብቲ ቤት ትምህርቲ ይእግድዎ ንኸይቀርብ ኣብቲ ቤት ትምህርቲ ንኸይመጽእ እቲ ቤት ፍርዲ እውን ውሳነ ይሕልፍ ማለት እዩ ሕጂ እዚ ከዓ ኣነ እውን ዋላ ሓንቲ ዝገበርክዎ ገበን የለን ቤት ፍርድን ኣይ ክትእጉድኒ ትኽእሉን ኢኹም ኣነ ንጹህ ሰብ እየ ስርሐይ ብምኽንያት እምነተይ ክስእን ኣይግባኣንን እናብል ናብቲ ቤት ትምህርቲ ይመጽእ ማለት እዩ ሕጂ እዚ እቲ ቤት ትምህርቲ ይኸስስ ቤት ፍርዲ ድማ መወዳእታ እንታይ ይገብሮ ማለት እዩ እንተ ደኣ ተደጋጋሚ ናብቲ ቤት ትምህርቲ መጺኻ ክትእሰር ኢኻ ኢሎም ፖሊስ ገይሮም ክሓድንዎ ይጅምሩ ማለት እዩ ካብ 2022 መስከረም ኣትሒዙ ድማ ንዝተወሰነ ሓፀርቲ እዋናት ጥራሕ እዩ ተለቂቑ እምበር እስካዕ ሕጂ ዳርጋ ቤት ማእሰርቲ እዩ ጸኒሑ ክበሃል ይከኣል እዚ መምህር እዚ ዝፈጸሞ ገበን እንታይ እንተዳ ኢልና ንሓደ ግብረ ሰደማዊ ወዲ ፆትኡ ቀይሩ ንሳቶም ኢሉ ክፅውዖ ፈቃደኛ ስለ ዘይኮነ ጥራሕ እዩ ብጣዕሚ ዘሕዝን ፖሊስ ነዚ ንጹህ ሰብ ከኣስሩ ኣብ ገዝኡ ሓያለ ግዜ እዮም ተመላሊሶም እስከ ኣቦ ካብ ገዛ ፖሊስ መጽኦም ንወዱ ምስ ወሰድዎ ዝተሰምዖ ስምዒት ብኸመይ ዝኣመሰለ መንገዲ ከም ዝገልጾ ንርአይ
Male Gardaí out to my house to arrest my son because he will not endorse transgenderism. On this day, the sun shining here in front of my house, it's a disgrace for our nation that this could happen. It's an absolute disgrace because he will not call a man a woman. He will not endorse transgender ideology, which has destroyed our nation, which is corrupting and ruining our nation.
ኤኖክ ብርከ ኣብዘን ዝሓለፋ 2-3 ዓመታት እቲ ዝበዝሐ ግዚኡ ኣብ ቤት ማእሰርቲ እዩ ሕሊፍዎ ኣብ መስከረም 2022 ተኣሲሩ ታሕሳስ ድማ ወፂኡ ማለት እዩ ናይ ክሪስማስ ግዜ እንደገና ከኣኒ ኣብ ጥሪ 2023 ናብ ቤት ማእሰርቲ መሊሶሞ ንሓያል ኣዋርሕ ኣብ ቤት ማእሰርቲ እንደገና ጸኒሑ ማለት እዩ ሕጂ እቲ ቤት ፍርዲ እንታይ ወሲኑ እንተ ደኣ ናብቲ ቤት ምህርቲ ኣይመጽእኒ ኢልካ ክሳብ ዘይተቐበልካ መዓልታዊ 700 ዩሮ ክትከፍል ኢኻ ኢሎም መቕጻዕቲ ይብይንሉ ማለት እዩ መዓልቲ 700 ዩሮ ሕጂ እዚ ብጽሑፍ ነቲ ቤት ፍርዲ ኣነ ኣብዚ ቤት ትምህርቲ እዚ ኣይመጽእኒ ካብቲ ቤት ትምህርቲ ድማ ብርግጽ ተባሪሩ እዩ ማለት እዩ ታ ቤት ትምህርቲ ሰጉጋት ያምሉ ብሙሉ እዚ ሁሉ ዝኸውን ደሎ ሕጂ ወላ ሓንቲ ዝገበሮ ገበን የብሉን ቅድሚኡን ገበን ፈጺሙ ዝፈልጥ ሰብ ኣይኮነን ማለት እዩ እንታይ ዳ ስለምንታይ ነቲ ወዲ እሳቶም እዮም ኢልካ ዘይጸዋዕኻዮ ብዝብል እዩ እዚ ሁሉ ጣጣ ኣብ ልዕሊ እዚ ክርስቲያን ሓውዝ ዝመጽእ ዘሎ ማለት እዩ ቤት ፍርዲ ከዓ ናብቲ ቤት ትምህርቲ ስለ ዝቐረብካ ኢሎም ከዓ በዚ ምኽንያት ቤት ፍርዲ ኣሳቢቦም ናብ ቤት ማእሰርቲ ይዳጉንዎ
I'm not going to turn back on my duty.
No, you don't have a duty to do what's wrong.
No, you never
and to
have a
bring me
duty
before
to
the
do
court. To bring me before the court. To bring me before the court.
This is a disgrace.
Children are being taught to tell a young boy.
Surgery.
Yes, surgery, mutilation.
Yes.
Mutilation.
And so it's an absolute
Mutilation.
disgrace.
Mutilation.
An absolute disgrace.
They're telling a boy that he's gender neutral. Yeah, that he has to take chemicals. That he has to take chemicals. That he has to take
I'm not going to be heavy-handed.
Or that he has to take chemicals.
I'm not going to be heavy-handed.
Shame upon you.
This is a disgrace.
Shame upon you, Gardaí. Shame upon you.
You've no right to
This is my workplace. This is for our
This is an innocent teacher, a Christian man.
And I won't take
Shame upon you, on Gardaí Síochána.
has broken no law.
be asked
He
to
has
endorse
broken
it.
no law.
I have a right to my job.
His
I have a right to work here.
He has a right.
I have a right to be here. And
You're
I'm
arresting
not
him.
to tell students they need to tell puberty
ቤት ማእሰርቲ ከዓ ትኸሎ ክትወፅእ እንተ ደኣ ኮንካ ኣብታ ቤት ትምህርቲ ገጸይ ከም ዘይቀርብ ክትፍርም ኣለካ እዚ ክሳዕ ዘይገበርካ ከዓኒ 700 ዩሮ ንመዓልቲ መቕጻዕቲ እንደገና ተበይንሉ ማለት እዩ ሕጂ ማእሰርትን ናይ ገንዘብ መቕጻዕቲ መዓልታዊ ከዓ 700 ዩሮ ሕጂ እዚ ኩሉ ተደማሚሩ ማለት እዩ ሕጂ ካብ 2022 ዝጀመረ ከይዚ ማለት እዩ ኣብዚ እዋን እዚ እውን እንደገና ናብ ቤት ማእሰርቲ ኣብዘን ዝሓለፈ 40 መዓልታት ዳጊኖም ኣለዉ ካብቲ ዝገርም እቲ ዳኛ ዘመሓላለፎ ውሳነ ድማ እንታይ እዩ ናብቲ ቤት ትምህርቲ ኣይቀርብኒ ክሳብ ዘይበልካ ካብ ቤት ማእሰርቲ ክትወፅእ ኣይትኽእልኒ ኢኻ ንሕልፈት ዳርጋ ተፈሪጁ ዘሎ ማለት እዩ ኣነ ከዓ ይብላ ኣሎ ዝገበርክዎ ገበን የለን ንወዲ ጓል ኢለ ስለ ዘይፀዋዕኹ ወይ ድማ ንሳቶም ኢለ ስለ ዘይፀዋዕኹ በዚ ምኽንያት እዚ ኣነ ተኣሲር ኣለኹ እዚ እቲ ናይ ማእሰርተይ ምክንያት እዚ ንዓይ ካብ ስራሕ መስጎገይ ምክንያት እዚ ከዓ ቅቡል ኣይኮነን ኣነ ብሕጊ ናይ ዝዓዲ ብቅዋም ናይ ዝዓዲ መሰል ኣለኒ ናይ ሃይማኖት መሰል ኣለኒ ናይ እምነት ነፃነት ኣለኒ ስለምንታይ እምነተይ ዝገሃስ ስለምንታይ ነፃነተይ ዝገሃስ ነዚ ኣነ ደው ኢለ ዝማጎት ዘለኹ ኣይቅበልን እየ ብምባል ብካልእ ኣዘራርባ ቡርከ ነፂግዎ ኣሎ ነቲ ናይ ቤት ፍርዲ ውሳነ ኣነ ዝገበርክዎ ገበን ክሳዕ ዘየለ ናብ ስርሐይ ክምለስ ይግባአኒ እዩ ስርሐይ ክስጎግ ብፍጹም ዘኽእለኒ ዋላ ሓንቲ ሕጋዊ ባይታ የለን ብምባል ድማ ናብቲ ቤት ትምህርቲ ምምፃእ ስለ ዝቐፀለ በዚ ማለት እዩ ብቲ ዳኛ ኣብ ቤት ማእሰርቲ ንዘይተወሰነ ግዜ ክትፀኒሕ ኸይሉ እዩ ፈሪድዎ ዘሎ ኣዲኡ ንኤኖክ ወዳ ኣብ ቤት ማእሰርቲ ብምክንያት ክርስትያናዊ እምነቱ ምስተኣስረ ኣብ ዝተፈላለየ ኣጋጣሚታት እናኸደት ከም ወላዲት ስለ ወዳ ትጣበቃላ ስለ ወዳ ትማጎት እያ ዘላ ኣብ ሓደ ኣጋጣሚ ናይ ብሙልአን ኣብያተ ክርስትያናት ኣብ ኣየርላንድ ዝርከባ ካቶሊካውያን ኣብያተ ክርስትያናትን ካልኦት መራሕቲ ሃይማኖትን ተኣኪቦምሉ ኣብ ዝነበረ ኣጋጣሚ ጉዳይ ወዳ ቃለቦ ክረክብ እዞም መራሕቲ ሃይማኖት ድማ ስለ ወዳ ክጣበቁ ከም ክርስትያን በፂሕዎ ዘሎ ስደትን መከራን እሳቶም እውን ድምፂ ምእንቲ ክኾንዎ ብምባል ኣብ ማእኸለቲ ኣኼባ ስለ ወዳ ክትዛረብን ከላ እንታይ ዓይነት ግብረ መልሲ ኣጋጢምዋ
But I'm Margaret Enoch Burke. She is in prison in Mountjoy, and I am here to ask for answers.
We need answers.
Enoch Burke. This is Enoch Burke. He is in prison. He's in Mountjoy prison for upholding the ethos of the Church of Ireland school.
Yes, we need answers.
The ethos of the Church of Ireland school. We want answers. Archbishop Dewell, we want answers. He's in prison because he upheld.
Please, we need answers.
Yes, he's in prison because he upheld.
We need answers.
The ethos of the Church of Ireland school.
Please, we need answers. Why is the Church of Ireland?
We need answers. Nothing to say.
Why is the Church of Ireland?
Obviously, you don't agree with the ethos. Be truthful.
He upheld the ethos of the school.
Jesus said, I am the truth. Obviously, you don't agree with the ethos, man and woman, of the Church of Ireland school.
We need answers.
The Lord Jesus Christ said that God made them from the beginning, male and female. Archbishop McDougall, nothing to say. And a young man in prison because he upheld the ethos of the Church of Ireland school.
Go away.
We need
Go away. Go away. Go away. It's a perfectly civil meeting here at the Church of Ireland. Out. There's the door. Get out of it. I don't interest it.
There's a young man
His own bloody fault.
in prison.
Out.
Goes through tour today. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? How dare you?
ከምዚ ክንከታተሎ ፀናሕና እምበር ዝኸበርኩም ተኸታተልቲ መደብና ውድቀት ናይ ኤውሮጳ ካብዚ ዝጅምር መራሕቲ ሃይማኖት እቲ ሓቂ ሓሶት ድማ ሓሶት ክብሉ ዝግብኦም ንመጽሓፍ ቅዱሳዊ ሓቂ ደው ክብሉ ዝግብኦም ናይ ሃይማኖት ክዳን ለቢሶም ልቕልቃት መቃብር ዝበሎም ጎይታ ነዚኦም እዩ ማለት እዩ እዚኦም ንሪኦም ዘለና ንግብረ ሰደማውያን ክቃወሙ ዘይኮነስ ግብረ ሰደማውያን መራሕቲ ኣብያተ ክርስቲያናትን ፓስተራትን ኣርችቢሾፓትን ክኾኑውን ዘፍቅዱ ዘለዉ እዮም ደቂ ኣንስትዮ መራሕቲ ኣብያተ ክርስቲያናት እናኾና ግብረ ሰደማውነት ንኸስፋሕፋሓውን ጥጡሕ ባይታ ዝኸፍቱ ዘለዉ እዮም እዚ ኩሉ ውድቀት ኣብ ኤውሮጳ ንሪኦ ዘለና ናይ ቤተ ክርስቲያን ውድቀት መጀመርያ ኣብ ሕብረተሰብ ውድቀት ዝጅምር ቤተ ክርስቲያን እንተዳ ወዲቓ ኣብ ኤውሮጳ ድማ ናይ ቤተ ክርስቲያን ውድቀት እዩ ነዚ ኩሉ ንሪኦ ዘለና ኣብ ልዕሊ ሄኖክ ሕጂ ከም ክርስቲያን በፂሕዎ ዘሎ ስደትን መከራን ድምፂ ክትኮነ ዝግባእ ቤተ ክርስቲያን ነይራ ሎሚ ግን እቲ ናቱ ድምፂ እትዓብስ ዘላ ቤተ ክርስቲያን እዚኦም መራሕቲ ሃይማኖት ኢና ክርስቲያናት ኢና ኢሎም እዮም ተኣኪቦም ዘለዉ ግን ከ ንሓደ ኣምላኽ ወድን ጓልን ሰብኣይን ሰበይትን እምበር ኣምላኽሲ ካብ ክልተ ፆታ ንላዕሊ ኣይፈጠረን ኢሉ ንመጽሓፍ ቅዱሳዊ ሓቂ ደው ኢሉ ዝተማጎተ ዝተኣስረ መከራን ዝቕበል ዘሎ ንስድሮኦምን ከምዚ ገይሮም እቶም መራሕቲ ሃይማኖት معرتهم بولايس يكلابتهم على مالتي زي خانا أوروبا موداتا أوروبا تاريخها خمسة بقى زي حد خبت ملكتي زغلو أبي أوروبا زولو بلصقنا هافتي كريستوسيو منش إنه زغلو سلامن بلصقنا هافتن أبي أوروبا كومونا بأمريكا هم عربوين هاجرات زغلو سبت تسديدو بحري ولا ناوحات كله ني أوروبا نخاتو أمريكا نخاتو زغلو واجاز غفل زلو إذ منشي تاي انترايلنا كريستوس مسرت زلو سلطان سلازخوني نجابان نسعود عرب نقطر نابقالات حاجرات نخيدي له سب هيوتو أي كفلني هيوتو زخفل سب نام عربوين حاجرات نخيدي عربوين حاجرات دما ناي كريستيان حقن سرعة زتختلا ما بقولن مسرت نسو سلازخوني زحشة من نبابرون زحشة سب أو مسلون سلازلون تبهيلي إذا جن حدا خبتي ناي ودكت أوروبا ملكة جيرنا خنوستون خلينا زي أب هنوك زجمرة بهنوكن زودا أيقونا نبزحات كارلوت كريستياناتهم كقتليو أوروبا أدم بخمس تخرج زلا من قد انتقتلا ودكت أدم رجتيو كخون مالتي.
And if a person so much as speaks a word, they will be removed by a battalion of Gardaí.
Judge Cregan today has given us a new version of the Constitution regarding religious freedom. He said if Enoch Burke practiced his Christian belief outside the gate, this would never have happened. He said it 3 times today. So he is telling us you can have your religious belief outside the gate. But you know, that's not what the Constitution tells us. It tells us that we have a constitutional right to the free practice and profession of our religious belief in our school, in our job, in our shop, wherever we are, not according to this perverted idea and judgment of Judge Cregan.
إذا خزارك نسمعه صنحنا أبو نيهنوكي أبيت فردي زلو اتدانيا أبزوانزي هينوك نزي توسنا جزي أبيت مأسرت نخصنح وسينو نزو سنة زدما كم حلف كله اتدانيا استزارب وزربان تايم زولدلو هينوك كابتي بيت مرتوتاي امنتو ويتناي كرسنا امنتو انتزا تغبره ولا حنت صقماي محلونا بيت فردوناي مقربن نيرو سلازي اتي ناي هينوك صقم كوين زلو اتناتو كرسنا امنت ابتي بيت مرتي حيزو مص سلازوليو بقال ازراربا حدا كريستيان كل جزء اب كل بوتا كريستيان كخون هيكلني مالتي ابيت مرت ترى خلي كريستيانو غديفي كمص زلو مالتي بيتناي تي دانيا وسانه مسرت هينوك كابت زغبرو غبن ابيت مرت كريستيان مخانيو ابيت مرتي كريستيان كخون اينبر انت ايدا خبيت مرت وصا طرحي كريستيان كخون نيرو وي دما تناي كريستنا امنوت خنصبار نيرو مالتي بخال ازراربا اذا خا بمسرت نقوام ناي هاجر زيا زطحسي يم زبل زلو ابو ني هينوك سلازي هينوك مع اسكا بيت مأسرتي كم زوص ولا حدا زفلطو سب يلن بزي نايدانيا وسانه مسرت هينوك انت دا ايفرم نيلو هينوك نحلفت ابيت مأسرتي كتصنح يخيلو مالتي إذا أنت إذا زخاخرن مسيلكم نتي أب إرترا هاجرنا زلو سدت أبلع الخريستيانات أب إرترا كابل تشحن كل تنجميرو بألماما كريستيانات آمنتي بينتوكستال بفلاي أبز وانزي يأسر له كأسر خلو زفت أم هو ولا حدا جابني يلا أبيت ما أسرت مساعته وحنت يمز حطته دهر حجي عين كمينا سم كريستوس عين تسوعنينا وانجيل عين سبخنينا إلكم فرمو ويبخل عزرار بان خريستوس كحدو إلام يوم زحطوتو مبزحتو أمدما تمزبزحو أين فرمن أخيبانا أين حدقن سم كريستوس كنت أوعينا وانجل دما خنسبخ كنمسكرينا أملاخ نزنا جرزي تأويعنا إذا خاء جبنا يكونن بمبال أب أمنتهم زصنعو الجوم نلعل 10 عامت أبيت مأسرتي مخرطات كوين الله ناي هنوك كنت مساسالي عجايو زمسل مالتي هنوك معسكم زوص هنوك وص تخينو كفرمالو اب إرتا زلو امنتي كابيت مأسرت خوص انت خينم كنت خغبرلهم كفرملهم تتعيسنا عينا دهر حجي عين كمينا يلوم فريموم كوصو يخوليا إذا سدت زي اب هاجرنا طرح مسلنا نيرو حجي اب أوروبا دما جميرلو مالتي ስለዚህ ክርስቲያናት ንንቃህ نتس نبرابر وانجيل نسبخ تجيزي ناي مودعتا ስለዝኾነ ኣብ ልዕሊ ክርስቲያናት ስደት እናወሰኸ እምበር እናቐነሰ ከም ዘይመጽእ ቃል ኣምላኽ እውን ይነግረና እዩ። ስለ ስመይ ኣብ ኩሎም ኣሕዛብ ጽሉኣት ክትኮኑ ኢኹም ኢሉ ኣብ ማቴዎስ 24 ኣብተን ናይ መወዳእታ ሰዓታትን ግዜያትን ዘመናትን እቲ ሓደ ካብቲ ምልክት ስደት ኣብ ልዕሊ ክርስቲያናት ክበዝሕ ክጅምር ከሎ ናይ መወዳእታ ከም ዝቐረበ በዚና ንፈልጥ ማለት እዩ። ስለዚ እዚ ናይ ግድን ክኸውን እዩ ብርግጽ ግን መከራ ማእሰርቲ እዚ ኩሉ ክመጽእ ከም ዝኽእል ኣሚንና ንክርስቶስ ብትብዓት ግን ክንሰብኮን ክንእውጆን ኣለና ማለት እዩ።
Honey, I was guarding Maura Hopkins. Is Enoch here by any chance?
You're Garda?
Maura Hopkins.
Enoch in school this morning.
Okay. Is he home?
He's not home yet. What's your name? Pierce McManus. And this chap here, what's your name?
Conor Guffian.
I think it's an absolute disgrace that you've come here to arrest my son because he won't endorse transgenderism. That's why you're here. And it's absolutely shameful on the floor.
Sorry, what's your first name? Sorry.
My name is Sean Burke. I'm Enoch's father. Yes.
Sean. Okay.
And I could say that again.
Okay. Well,
that
I
it's disgraceful. Well, you obviously don't, or you wouldn't be here.
What time is Enoch due home?
I have said all I've said to you, and that's all I'm going to say about my son.
Okay. So he's not here at the moment.
And it's a disgrace that you're here.
So he's not here at the moment.
Because he won't endorse transgenderism. You know why you've come to arrest my son for one reason.
That's not the issue, Sean. We're asking you some questions here.
I've just told you that I've said what I've said.
So he's not home yet. Okay.
I told you what I said. That my son went to school this morning to his job, where he should be.
That's fair enough. Yeah.
And it's shameful, and it's a sad state our country has come when 4 Gardaí would come to my house. It's shocking. To arrest my son, who has an unblemished record in every aspect of society, and to think that you've come, well, it's shame on you. It's a shameful job. It's shameful.
Why are you here?
It's absolutely shameful.
We'll speak with him.
Well, ask them why they're here then.
Why you're here then?
Why are you on our property today?
Okay?
Yeah.
He's not here? Okay, so we'll go again. Right, when he's back, we'll be out again.
Why are you looking?
And we don't want you to come back.
No problem. I've provided your father.
Why are they looking for you?
So why are you looking to speak?
We'll discuss that with Enoch, Sean.
Shame upon you. And Ballinrobe and Castlebar overran with drugs and crime.
Disgraceful. Coming to my house to arrest my son because he won't accept transgender ideology. It's a shame and a sad place our land has come.
What has just happened here now?
What has happened now here is that the Garda Síochána have sent 4 Gardaí, one Gardaí and 3 male Gardaí out to my house to arrest my son because he will not endorse transgenderism. On this day, the sun shining here in front of my house, it's a disgrace for our nation that this could happen. It's an absolute disgrace because he will not call a man a woman. He will not endorse transgender ideology, which has destroyed our nation, which is corrupting and ruining our nation and our young people. And it's just awful to see this, that our land and our nation would come to this place in this August, lovely August day.
I have a right to work here.
He has a right.
I have a right to be here. And
You're arresting
not
him.
to tell students they need to tell
puberty
blockers.
You're arresting him
Not
because
to
he
tell
won't
students
endorse
that they need to take
transgender. Shame upon you.
Here at Wilson's Hospital School, Enoch Burke, teacher, been arrested for not accepting transgenderism.
Nor should I. And I'm not going to turn my back on my duty to my students.
I'm not going to turn back on my duty.
No, you don't have a duty to do what's wrong.
No, you never
And to
have a
bring me
duty
before the court. To bring me before the court.
Inside those
No,
gates.
to bring me before the
Even though
court.
there's abuse.
This is a
Puberty
disgrace.
blockers.
Children are being
Puberty
taught
blockers.
to tell a young boy.
Suicide.
Surgery.
Yes, surgery, mutilation.
Yes.
Mutilation.
It's a
And
disgrace.
an absolute
Mutilation.
disgrace.
Absolute disgrace.
Mutilation.
An absolute disgrace.
You're telling a boy that he's gender neutral. Yeah, that he has to take chemicals. That he has to take chemicals. That he has to take chemicals.
To be heavy-handed.
No, that he has to take chemicals.
Not going to be heavy-handed.
He has broken no law.
Shame upon you. Shame upon you, Gardaí. Shame upon you.
You've no right to do this.
This is an innocent teacher, a Christian man. Shame upon you on Gardaí Síochána.
Mr. Burke has broken no law. He has broken no law.
I have a right to my job. I have a right to work here.
He has a right.
I have a right to be here. And
You're
I'm
arresting
not
him.
to tell students they need to tell puberty blockers.
You're arresting him
Not
because
to
he
tell
won't
students
endorse
that they need to take
transgender ideology.
Shame upon you.
Shame on you. Shame on you.
Shame on you. Shame.
Enoch Burke here. I'm standing outside Wilson's Hospital School, and as you know, where I've worked, as I said before, for the past 7 years, since 2018. And you saw that judgment this week from Judge Brian Cregan, jail again for the 4th time. And that judgment, a very serious attack on my character in that judgment. And I would just say, I have served God and this school with a good conscience for the past 7 years. And it's a terrible thing when a judge can stoop to defaming you and slandering you instead of doing justice. He said that I was roaming about this school. A lot of nonsense. I come here, I stand in the corridor, I report for work, I conduct myself with the utmost dignity and respect, and that is the way I've always conducted myself. But back to jail, because I will not succumb to transgender ideology. Back to jail for the 4th time. And this, I suppose, would never have happened if it were not for the failure of the church. This is a Church of Ireland school with a Church of Ireland ethos. Bishops sitting on the board of management, and they betrayed me. They let me down. When I was hired here, I was hired to uphold that Christian ethos. And when, of course, trouble came then, you would expect them to defend you, to come behind you, to support you, but nothing of the sort. But of course, it's not just this school, and I've always said that, it's every school in this country. And it's not just the Church of Ireland, the Roman Catholic Church, the biggest denomination in the country, with, of course, we know many schools silent. And this month in particular, early this month, there was a particular week, belonged to week, the raising of the transgender pride flag in every school. You know, the morals of Sodom and Gomorrah. Every student told you must celebrate this. And the Catholic Church silent. Their boards of management silent. Nothing to say. They agree with it. They agree with it. Nothing. Archbishop Eamon Martin, the bishops, the archbishops, nothing to say. So I would simply say to people, as you see me taken away in a prison van for the 4th time, I would say this isn't, thank you very much for the wonderful support and the outpouring of support, I must say, from thousands. But I would say this isn't ultimately about me and my family. It's about you and your family. And I would encourage you, please, to challenge your religious leaders, those people you're trusting in, and they are betraying you. They are allowing your children, presiding over the anti-Christian ideology that every child in this country now is being forced to celebrate and to bow to. I would say today, challenge those people. It's anti-God, it's anti-Christian. We're all going to die. We all have to live for something. Those wonderful rights, the particular right of freedom of conscience and the free profession and practice of religion, that's God-given. It's a wonderful right, it's inalienable, and it's very important that it would continue in this country and not perish